Hello beautiful Leo, thank you so much for being here today. My name's Marie Rose and we're here to bring you your horoscope or messages for December. Can you believe it, Leo? We are in December already. Let's see what's coming up for Leo, please, for December. What energies do we have? Not too many. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. I've got them. That's why they're saying, can you not see it? Okay, we've got winds of change. And we've got ritual ground. Winds of change, alteration, shift, new directions, evolve, renew. Go with the flow. Anything that happens in December, Leo, it's about going with the flow. Let it happen how it's meant to. Don't try and control things. Don't try and manage things. Let things fall into place how they're meant to. You may see people walking away from you. You may see things that you thought were going to stay. They start to move away, or you get promoted. You get moved to another place in your workplace. You see friends come and go. Just let things flow, because what's good for you is going to stay. What's not good for you will leave your life. It's like the universe is saying to you, there's a cleansing happening around you. We see you, we know what's good for you, and let us move the puzzle around so that you have who you need, who is good for you, and who is not will leave. Ritual ground. Holy ceremony practice, consecrate, foundation, connect with spirit. Here, Leo, it's about you connecting, having that connection with spirit. You may feel in December a warmth around you. You may feel something beside you when there's really nothing there. There's nothing there that you can see, but there is something there. You're not going crazy. You're not imagining things. You are going to have protection or people around you that you can't necessarily see. So they're actually not people, it's a spirit guide or a mentor or an angel there. So connect with those people, that entity. Let me say entity because it's not people. Connect with that entity by speaking what you think, what you want, what you're going through, and connect with that entity. Don't be afraid. It's not there to hurt you. It's there to listen to you. It's there to guide you. It's there to show you that there may be another way around things. It's there to comfort you. What have we got for Leo, please? What do we have for Leo for December? Thank you. Remember I said to you, things will come and go. New beginnings. Start a new life, finding your purpose, a forgiving and compassionate review of the past. There are people, situations, things that are going to take place that what is old and no longer serves you will allow room for the new to come in. Which means that new people may cross your path. New job may come around, new opportunities, new doors. The lovers, a new love in your life. You may be with someone who you've been with for quite some time, or you may be with someone that doesn't excite you anymore. That you're more like friends than lovers. That you're more like friends than soul partners. And there may be a new person that comes into your life that crosses your path and takes your breath away in December. 10 of Gabriel. Ask your angels for help for people to light your load. Working too many hours, trying too hard to please others. Remember I said to you, connect with that entity that's with you. Ask them to free you from burdens that don't belong to you. Ask them to free you from people who drain you. Ask them to show you the path to a new beginning. Is that person good for you? Is that job good for you? Is that path the one you're meant to go to? If there is any confusion or any questions, now is the time to ask loud. And then ask for a confirmation. So if this is the right path, show me some white feathers. If this is the right path, Show me a bird that is a bit different and really gets my attention. Things like that. Ask for a sign. They will connect with you via signs. One more please. 8 of Ariel. Take pride in your excellent work. This is you looking at what you're doing and doing it well. And for many of you here, you may be doing a job, or you may want to do a job or start a new business, but you feel you're not ready. December is the month, Leo, for the ones I'm connecting with here that feel that way. December is your month to study and to move in the direction that you want to devote yourself to. It's the month where if you don't think you have all that you need to succeed, it's the month to elaborate that. You may start an online course. You may start a short course. You may spend time on YouTube learning how to do a certain skill or develop a talent. Whatever it is that you're not certain about and you don't feel you have enough to conquer what you want to achieve, now's the time. Okay, let's go. What have we got? Oh. The world. Isn't that funny? Look at this. The world under the new beginnings. Remember I said to you, things need to close out. People need to move away. Jobs need to complete. Whatever is not good for you needs to close off so that it leaves room for the new. That's exactly these cards here. They're just coming to confirm that whatever was said is what's coming. That let things flow the way they're meant to. Don't be sad about things closing off. Don't be sad about people walking away. Don't be sad about leaving a relationship that's only there for show, really. The Wheel of Fortune. There is absolutely a new love coming into somebody's life here. There's a new change. There's decisions you're going to make that's going to change your destiny, that's going to change your way of living, the way you see things, the way you do things, the people you have, the job that you do. There are changes here, both with relationships and decisions in regards to what you do. The Queen of Cups. Now is time for you to love who you are. Now is time, Leo, for you to dedicate yourself to giving yourself love. For you to be able to share love, you need to be loved first. And here, you may be giving too much to everybody else and forgetting you. This is a time to pull it right back. It's the time to say, you know what? It's fine that I help others. It's fine that I've done everything for others. But in December, it's about me. It's about me caring for myself, going out and feeling good about myself, having a massage, having a manicure, a pedicure, having a facial. Whatever's going to make me feel good and grand, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I deserve it. What else do we have, please? One more. Thank you. The Magician. Remember I said to you, if there's something here that you're not 100% about and you may want to do something, someone here is keen to start a new project or open a new business, but you're feeling that right now, at this point in time, you may not have everything that you need. Well, here it's about equipping yourself with everything that you need. So if there are certain holes in your magic, you need to learn how to create and fulfill those holes in your resume. This is about you learning new things that are just going to give you the power to be more marketable, more looked at, more appreciated, and more noticeable amongst people going for the same job, doing the same thing, being in the same business, in the same area of expertise. What you introduce into your skill set and your talent is going to put you in a different situation to everybody else. And it's not about competing with others. It's about feeling comfortable that you deliver and have more to offer. So why should people go elsewhere? Why should people hire somebody else? They shouldn't. Not when you go with the full package. Okay, last message for Leo, please. Oh, I think we've got a bit of a crooked camera here. Sorry, one sec. That's it. Better. Sorry, Leo. I'm sure you've been looking at it side on. What else do we have here for Leo, please? Last message for Leo. Get more information. What did we speak about just now? The difference between you and somebody else is the knowledge and experience you have. Get more information, no matter what it's about, whether this be in a relationship, whether this be for work, whether this be for anything in your life. It's like something, there's still a but or a question mark. And you need to fulfill that question mark or that but, so that there is no more but, there is no more question mark. You're very certain about what, who and how. I hope that makes sense, Leo, to somebody. Let me know in the comments. Lots of love and light your way. Thank you. Bye-bye.